What is going on? Welcome to Greggles TV. I am at a special event thrown by Greenworks, and they make these amazing battery-powered, wire-free tools that you can use for basically anything when you need a tool. And we're at this beautiful property in Georgia, basically the middle of Georgia, called The Perch. And it's got these beautiful like tree houses inspired by bird houses. They're absolutely beautiful. And this video is sponsored by Greenworks, but let's check out these amazing battery powered tools. Greenworks had many different stations at the three different houses showing off how their tools worked in real life. Whether you're working around the house, tackling weekend projects, upgrading your garage, or doing serious pro level work. And to make the launch even bigger, HGTV stars Chip Wade and Scott McGillivray were on hand to help introduce the newest Greenworks tools for both their consumer line and their pro line. What really stood out to me is how aggressively Greenworks is competing with some of the biggest tool companies on the market. When you look at the specs, the features, the build quality, and the price, Greenworks is not just trying to be a cheaper alternative. In a lot of cases, they compare extremely well to major brands, and with certain tools, they even meet or beat them in power, performance, and overall value. That's what makes this launch so remarkable. You're getting brushless motors, strong torque numbers, USB-C battery technology, long warranties, pro-level durability, and a shared battery platform, but at prices that are often lower than what you'd expect from other big-name tool brands. Greenworks is really positioning itself as a brand that can deliver serious power and quality without making you pay premium tool company prices. The big idea behind all of this is Greenworks' Powerall 24-volt platform. Greenworks is really pushing the message of one battery, work, home, and life. And that's honestly one of the biggest things that stood out to me. Instead of having a bunch of different chargers and batteries for every tool, the Powerall 24-volt system is designed around one shared battery platform that works across a huge lineup of tools. According to Greenworks, these batteries work with over 200 plus products of theirs. So it's not just one drill or one saw. This is a whole ecosystem built around convenience, portability, and power. Seeing their saws rip through wood like it's butter, all while being wire-free, battery-powered, precise, and powerful was really cool. This Greenworks angle grinder is a great example of how far battery-powered tools have come, delivering the kind of power and performance you'd expect from a corded grinder, all without being tied to an outlet. It's built for cutting, grinding, sharpening, and surface prep, making it a solid tool for everything from DIY projects to tougher job site tasks. Greenworks Impact Wrenches bring serious fastening power in a cordless, easy-to-use package, making it great for loosening stubborn bolts, tightening hardware, and tackling automotive or heavy-duty projects. What makes it stand out is the strong torque performance combined with the convenience of Greenworks' battery platform, like I mentioned earlier. So you get the freedom to work without cords while still having the power needed for tougher jobs. Greenworks Impact Driver is a compact yet powerful tool built for driving screws, bolts, and fasteners with speed and control. What makes it especially useful is the combination of strong torque, cordless convenience, and Greenworks battery platform. It feels like a smart choice for anyone who wants dependable power, easy handling, and solid performance, without overpaying compared to other major tool brands. The Greenworks blower is a powerful and convenient tool for quickly clearing leaves, grass clippings, dust, and debris from driveways, patios, sidewalks, and yards. It delivers strong airflow without the noise, fumes, or maintenance of a gas blower, making it easier and cleaner to use around the house or job site. Greenworks also has a great lineup of accessories that make transporting, organizing, and using their tools even easier. Greenworks Tool Backpack is perfect for carrying tools, batteries, chargers, and smaller accessories while keeping your hands free, especially when moving around a job site or working around the house. Their cooler is a nice bonus for keeping drinks and snacks cold during long work days, outdoor projects, or trips. Greenworks tool cases and modular tool cases help keep everything organized, protected, and easy to grab when you need it. Instead of having tools and accessories scattered everywhere, the modular system gives you a cleaner, more professional setup that makes the whole Greenworks ecosystem feel even more complete. Greenworks Oscillating Multi-Tool is one of those tools that quickly becomes a go-to because it can handle so many different jobs. great for cutting, sanding, scraping, trimming, and detail work in tight spaces where larger tools just won't fit. Whether you're doing home repairs, flooring, drywall, small remodels, or cleanup work, it gives you the control and versatility to switch between tasks quickly. And because it's on Greenworks' battery platform, you get cordless convenience without having to drag out extension cords. Don't forget that Greenworks' Pro line is now available at Walmart. I'll link it down below. Everything's battery powered and you can recharge everything. Their batteries work with over 200 different products. So check it out. Thanks for watching and we'll see you guys down the road. Peace.